Worried about who's seeing your TikToks? Let's lock it down. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private in just a few simple steps, giving you complete control over who can see your content and interact with you. First, launch the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're in, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where all your videos and account information are displayed. Now, look for the three horizontal lines, sometimes displayed as a hamburger menu. In the top right corner of your profile page, tap on this icon to open the Settings and Privacy menu. A menu will slide out from the right. In this menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your TikTok experience, including your privacy settings. Within Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy. This will take you to the Privacy Settings page, which controls who can see your content, message you, and find your account. At the very top of the privacy settings, you'll see the private account option with a toggle switch next to it. Tap the toggle switch to the right of private account to turn it on. The toggle should turn green, indicating that your account is now private. A pop-up might appear, briefly explaining what making your account private means. It will state that only followers you approve can see your videos. Just click the red toggle to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully made your TikTok account private. You'll now see a lock icon next to your profile picture, confirming that your account is private. Only users you approve as followers will be able to see your videos, likes, and following list. Now you can enjoy TikTok with greater peace of mind.